I'm Matt Bouchard with VEREIT here at the New York Hilton for REIT Week 2017, VEREIT's Investor Forum. Joining me today is Glenn Rufrano, the CEO of VEREIT. Glenn, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Matt. Thanks for having me.
Now, it's already been an active year so far for the company on the acquisitions market. Can you talk about what some of the goals and objectives are in this area for the portfolio?
We laid out goals in the beginning of the year, as we would each year in guidance, and we relate acquisitions and dispositions. On the acquisition front, 450 to 600 million is what we feel we can acquire reasonably at the right pricing, all assets that will fit within our portfolio and create a better portfolio. At the same time, we will sell 450 to 600 million of assets to further diversify the portfolio. So our goal this year is take assets out. They may be good assets, but long term we don't want them in the portfolio, and put assets back in the portfolio that will give us a better fortress portfolio long term.
And can you talk about where you see the company's balance sheet right now? Is there more work to be done? Are you happy with it?
We've actually done a very good job on the balance sheet because we focused. We had net debt to EBITDA of about 7.5, which is an index we use, which is high. We're down to 5.5 over the last couple of years. We have a $2.3 billion revolving line of credit, nothing drawn, nothing due this year of any consequence. We are in very good shape. We're happy where we are. We're happy because the rating agencies are happy. We now have 3 rating agencies, Moody's, S&P, and Fitch, rate us investment grade, which was our goal on the balance sheet. We got there.
And if we were to sit down in 6 months in Dallas at REIT World, what would have been the big story for VEREIT over that time?
The big story is we do what we say. The way we say to people, don't listen to what we say, watch what we do. And we have over the last 2 years put out a plan, and we've met every point in that plan and exceeded some points. We want to do the same thing over the next 6 months. So our story will be, see, this is what we said, and this is what we did, and that's the important point.
And lastly, as part of NAREIT's REITs Across America project, we like to talk to REIT CEOs about sort of how their real estate, how their portfolio brings real estate to life and impacts people's lives. Can you talk about how that is part of VEREIT's portfolio?
Well, our portfolio is comprised of 3 property types, which is unusual. We can manage these properties well. They're triple net and double net leases, so they're a little simpler to manage. So we have very good infrastructure. The importance is that we provide housing for corporations long term. Our trade is we give them capital, corporations, and they give us their housing, but they want stability long term. The importance is those companies are running their businesses, and not only are they running their businesses, we have tenants like TJ Maxx, where we have stores where they're selling their goods and services. We have their industrial plant, and we have an office building. So we actually provide housing for corporate America across 3 property types, and in all 3 property types we hope people will be employed. They're in different locations and cities, so we provide variety of capital that we don't see in other REITs.
For more from REIT Week 2017 and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.